Just another gray Christmas in a rusty old steel town. Just another dreary holiday where cloudy skies can get you down. Don't waste your time wondering why Santa Claus ain't coming round. It's just another gray Christmas in a rusty old steel town. We don't get a white Christmas in this rusty old steel town. It's hard to keep a smile on your face when all you see is gray and brown. Sure, it would be easier to spend December with a frown, 'cause it's just another gray Christmas in a rusty old steel town. Can't afford to light the lights or even pay the bills. Hold each other close tonight, and love will keep out the chills. Happiness is where you find it in this rusty old steel town. Doesn't take a lot of money just to spread some Christmas cheer around. Join along and sing our song. Lift those spirits off the ground, 'cause it's just another great Christmas. It's just another great Christmas. It's just another great Christmas in a rusty old steel town. This is my town. This is my town. And it's just another great Christmas in my rusty old steel town.